Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 29 May 2018, 08 of hour, 23 of minute and 13 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how do I get rid of dry coughing? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how do I get rid of dry coughing. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about how do I get rid of dry coughing. Try these 5 tips to manage your cough at home. Stay hydrated. An upper respiratory tract infection like a cold or flu causes postnasal drip. Try lozenges in hot drinks. Try a menthol cough drop. Yoder suggests. Take steamy showers and use a humidifier. Remove irritants from the air. Take medications to treat coughs. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.